Hi folks, Brittani here from Fields BMW Daytona Beach. Today I'm sitting in a 2019 750i and just wanted to show you how to use the auto feature on your climate controls. So right here, when you click on that, you have your desired temperature that you would like the car to cool down to. It's going to be working really hard for it to reach that temperature. Now once it reaches that desired temperature, the AC will not have to work as hard and start slowing down a bit, help you save on gas as well. And then the fan will slow down once it's reached that temperature. Then you also have your heated seats here, as well as your ventilated seats. So when you click on the heated seats, then you can also change the intensity of that if you'd like, and just keep touching it one by one. Same with the ventilated seats as well, okay? And all that's going to do is just going to take the colder air that's already inside the cabin and pump it back through the seats for you to keep you cool in the heat. Alright, and that is how you work out the automatic AC as well as your heated and ventilated seats. Thanks. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at Fields BMW Daytona Beach. Y'all have a great day.